Hello to all the viewers of the Param Classes channel. The support, love and inspiration of all of you has led the channel on the path of success. Friends, thank you very much for the cooperation. So have you subscribed to the channel? If you have not, then get ready by subscribing to the channel to watch the new video of Param Classes as well as pressing the bell icon. Then you will get the information about the upcoming video of the Param Classes. So what is the delay? Let's go in the Param Classes. Today the important points will be discussed to crack the NTA UGC NET exam in the first attempt itself. NTA UGC NET is one of the toughest exams conducted to direct your career path towards the lavishly paid jobs of junior research fellows or assistant professors. So, to qualify this exam, your preparation has to be smart, effective and systematic. But for this, we have come up with the NTA UGC NET exam strategy further in this video that will make your ongoing process more precise and easier. Important tips to crack the NTA UGC NET exam in the first attempt. For all the aspirants preparing for this exam, in today's video of the Param Classes based on NTA UGC NET is going to talk about the strategy of passing the NTA UGC NET exam in the first attempt, which I myself adopted to pass this exam in the first opportunity in the first attempt in December 2003. Cracking NTA NET exam in the very first time is not an impossible task, friends, provided one puts in proper efforts and dedication towards their exam preparation. So let's now have a quick look at some important tips which will help students clear the NTA UGC NET exam in their first attempt. Students preparing for NTA UGC NET must follow the undermentioned tips in order to clear this exam in the very first attempt. The first is time management skills. Many a time students prepare for the exam well but fail to finish the paper on time. Why is that so? The main reason behind this failure is the lack of time management skills, as a result of which all the efforts one puts in go in vain. So make it a habit to set the time limit for any topic which you study or any mock test which you take in order to understand your actual performance level. The second is clear your concepts. Rote learning or just an overview of the topic won't help you much in your preparation. In order to crack this exam, one needs to have a thorough knowledge on the concerned subjects. Study the concept properly so that one can attempt any question from that topic. Then third is exam analysis. So go through previous year's NET paper and try to analyze the frequency or the pattern of repeating questions concepts. This analysis will prove to the crucial in shaping your performance for the final exam. Go through the previous year cutoffs too. Smart study. One should study smartly for the exam rather than preparing each and every topic. This differentiates the winners from the losers. Instead of counting the number of hours you study, see how effectively you have studied. This approach is the key to success in NTA UGC NET exam. Practice mock tests. Mock tests can help you preparing in various ways. Some of them have been listed below. It helps to candidate in developing the right strategy, which usually varies from student to student. It guides you to understand the importance of time management in the actual exam. It helps the candidate in analyzing his or her performance and preparation level. Next is revision. One time study won't get you through the exam. Revising the concepts on the regular basis will increase your intention, power, and will help you in memorizing the important points. So make sure that you revise your study regularly. 7 is try to make short notes. Get into the practice of making your own notes from the beginning. This will prove to be helpful during your revision because all the important things will be in one place. This habit will help students to grasp relevant information quickly. Make sure that your notes are well written and to the point. The next is can-do attitude. Having a positive attitude towards what you do is of utmost importance. One should never give up no matter that what had happened in the past. Negative thoughts often tend to distract your mind. So have faith in yourself and work towards your goal with a positive attitude. Take breaks after every study session. Don't just stick to books. Try to get involved in different activities which keep you energetic and stress-free. Never isolate yourself from family and friends. Be relaxed, eat well, and study with proper dedication. We hope that this article provided you with proper guidance to crack the NTA UGC NET exam in the first attempt. Now, note last devise your own strategy. Every individual is different. His or her strengths and weaknesses are different. A single strategy cannot work for all, and no one else can frame your preparation strategy except you. Others can guide you, can give you some tips, but you need to add something of your own to the guidelines to devise the best strategy which will work for you. Friends, that was a strategy, foolproof strategy which will pass you in first attempt of the NET exam. So, friends, how was the strategy to crack the NTA UGC NET exam in the first time? You can ask for your opinion, suggestions and doubts by writing in the comment box. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching other videos of